Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star property.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also.
As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Room category 1.
You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it.
The location of the property is first class and guests may enjoy the beautiful surrounding.
Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 1 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below.
If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you.
For booking or get more details about this hotel, please below the link in the description.
If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comments.
If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends,